and the pressure was 29.76 inches and falling. Other observations for south central Arizona, including the greater Phoenix area. It was sunny, with a temperature of 108 at Buckeye, 108 at Luke Air Force Base, 104 at Deer Valley, 105 at Scottsdale Air. The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, east central Maricopa County in south central Arizona, northwestern Gila County in east central Arizona until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:35 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 10 miles southeast of Thunderstorm National Monument, or 12 miles southeast of Roosevelt, and moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Roosevelt, Thunderstorm National Monument, Roosevelt Dam, and Apache Lake. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If on or near Roosevelt Lake, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Gila, Maricopa, and Pinal. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, AC 9.